Hi, it's Ina Calder from the InDe'B Quilt Shop. If you're wondering how we got our name, it's three friends, Ina, Debbie, and Bobby for InDe'B. So just really, really fun how we got our name. I have a really great project for you today. It is the Rose Garden Table Runner by Heather Peterson from Anka Treasures and done by Riley Blake Designs. I love the bold colors, the big, bold, saturated colors that you find in all of this. It makes it really, really great, okay? And it comes in a cute little box with this little paper band that goes around it, just like this. So you can use the box later for other things. And this kit also, not only does it come with the blue background, but you get a white background. So you can choose to do this kit in either a white background or a blue background. And I chose the blue. I'm going to take the rest of this fabric and use it in my backing. It's not large enough to go over the entire back of the quilt, but there's definitely leftover fabrics in the back in here that I'll put together in a cute little design on the back of the quilt and put that together. So let me give you some little tips about this. One is that Heather, when she does her patterns, she doesn't say that this is like piece A, piece B, or whatever. She gives you steps. So like right along in here, you're gonna see the steps. And I would just take the plastic bags and label it step 1. And anytime you cut anything that goes into step 1, you put it in that bag. Again, with step 2 all the way through to step 18. And that will help keep things separated, and so you know what they are when you go in to use it. The part about this quilt too is there's like very little things you have to like totally match together, that you have to all line up with that. I really love her patterns that way because she does that. So here's an example of that. And here you have this flower that has a leaf in here. But these little squares that you've done the folded corners or the snowball corners or whatever with, they're different sizes. So they're not gonna match up. So you don't have to worry about that. And it just gives it a fun folk art kind of feel for the whole pattern. So you'll have to look at that. Plus, she has a quilt, and the quilt does have only the white backing with it. This quilt finishes at 70 inches by 98 inches. Really fun, easy. The leaves are, you know, they become much larger than just the cute little leaves that they have on this one right here, like that. But it has little cute little flowers here. You've got those big, huge coral roses. Plus, you have some fun little sunshine flowers here. One there and one down below. So those are really cute. So look for both of these on our website. They're not going to last long. Whenever she does a colorway this way, it is so popular and it's gone and nothing flat. So we hope that you get in there and you're able to get that before it's gone. Don't forget to like and subscribe on our channel. Have a great day.